Are you ready to lead with confidence? Introducing Lead the Way, a new immersive leadership development experience designed for managers at every level. In just 3 days, you'll master the core competencies every leader needs: collaboration, decision-making, influencing, problem-solving, and so much more. Our workshop isn't just theory, it's hands-on, experiential learning. Dive deeper with our companion book, packed with frameworks and assessments. It's your guide to lead with impact. Learn more at avionconsulting.com.